Oh my goodness. I literally love my boyfriend. I had a fabulous time at the pool. There was like a little shallow like seating area, and I started talking to a couple. They were so kind and so sweet, and their relationship from the outside looking in seemed like a fabulous relationship, and I love that for them. They were just sharing with me how like every other weekend they find a different hotel like this or inn like this or bed and breakfast like this or whatever in different areas like around us, and they go stay, and that's like their little tradition. And I think that's really cute to find traditions that you like to do with your significant other or just with yourself. Like even if I did this, I'm like, so I told them, I was like, I might be stealing that idea. Oh, I'm wrapping my hair, guys. And then I forgot my freaking shower cap at home, so I just found a little trash bag that is probably for the ice bucket. I don't know, but it's about to be my shower cap. So I was supposed to have a hair appointment on Thursday, but I changed it because I was like, my hair still looks pretty good. I mean, it is time for it to get done. So I rescheduled it to next week. Luckily, she had something open, but I wasn't ready to take this out because it's not falling off the bones just yet. And whenever, normally my quick leaves are falling off the bone, but whatever she did this time, it is like, honestly, I can't believe, I was surprised when I got the notification that I had hair appointment. Oh my gosh, y'all. So my appointment is so dark outside because I thought my appointment was, I thought my appointment was today, but really my appointment was scheduled for yesterday. So Portia is the best, and she let me come in today. She be booking me, so I'm glad. But I just got like a natural, silk press on the dog. It looks so good. And the hair, like genuinely, tell me where my leave out is. It looks so good. But it's literally giving silk press the other day. It's the same hair that I got last time, and the other day somebody asked me, how do you put your hair so thick? And I was like, really? And they were shocked because it literally. When I first started getting the body braid hair, I was actually really nervous because I thought it would be too fine and not coarse enough. But honestly, I feel like it's giving me the most natural look that I've had since I've been wearing it, which has been for a really long time. I've been getting the most silk press elevation since I've been wearing it. Also, the best part of my experience is unfortunately just falls my hair just to keep that natural because I'm basically closer to actually silk pressing my hair. Literally, you can see why I keep going back to this hair texture because it just looks so natural. Oof. Yeah. Hair looks so good. This is a few days later, but look how good and natural it looks. Oh my gosh, when I left the house today, I was like, I didn't forget anything. I left my whole entire like toiletry bag, which has my face wash, my face lotion, my deodorant. Face wash, face lotion, I can deal. Because I actually ended up putting, like in my makeup bag, I have this Charlotte Tilbury water cream and I have sunscreen. So that'll suffice. But no deodorant. So I text and asked, I said, hey, do y'all have deodorant? So the girl got back to me immediately. She said, yes, we have some at the desk for you. I said, great. I'll be down in a bit to grab it. Thank you. I won't stink. And then she said, I just checked the office and we are unfortunately out. Why did you start with that? So now I'm about to go downstairs because I'm going to dinner and I'm going to a place called Beck's. But when I was downstairs, a guy was telling me that there's a shuttle because I was going to drive because he was like, do you need your car anytime soon? So I was like, yeah, I'm going to come back for dinner. And he was like, oh, I can take you on a shuttle. So I'm going to take the shuttle to dinner, but I'm going to ask him if he can stop. I think it goes within a 5-mile radius. I don't know. But I'm gonna ask him if there's like a CVS, anything where I can grab some freaking deodorant because I can't, you know. But yeah. But yeah, I didn't really do much to my hair. The only thing, honestly, y'all are probably seeing the back more than I ever do. The only thing that I really do is I'll do like some of the front pieces. Kind of like give them a little, I kind of, you know, I take it back a little bit old school. And I do what we hated as children, which is I just bump the ends a little bit. And for some reason, when I do that, the way it lays, but the way it lays with just a little bump at the end, it just looks so cute. A little bump. This is my little outfit. Very cute. It's just some jeans from Madewell. This top is actually from Madewell too. And I think it's really cute. Yeah, I really like these jeans. I really like Madewell. Look here, I feel so cute. If I don't have good outfits tomorrow, you might be running this back. Don't judge me. We're just wearing it to dinner, okay? We're not like you don't recycle outfits, girl. But yeah, anyway, I told them I was going to be down there at 7:45. So to be props. So let's go to dinner. Fingers crossed that it's delicious.